go use this.
Last time you asked the same question and you responded.
Yeah, and you said we won.
We just want to find out how did it go?
How did it go? It went very well. It was a case management meeting. Case management meeting was a meeting in terms of which the CJ, the Chief Justice, wanted to know when the parties must file what documents in order for the matter to then be heard by the full court. So what happened today is that the Chief Justice directed that the matter be heard on the 8th of May at 9:30 before the full bench of the Constitutional Court. And he has directed that the parties must file certain documents by a certain time. The respondents must file their notices of opposition by a certain date. And then the heads of arguments, which are the legal arguments now by the lawyers, must be filed by a certain date, after which then the matter can then be heard on the 8th of May. So the parties all agreed that they will file by specific periods indicated or directed by the judge. Then the matter will then be heard on its merits on the 8th of May 2023 at 9:30 in the Constitutional Court.
Why are we having a case management today? We thought all parties had been duly informed prior to this sitting. And the writings that we've been seeing around were saying that this case should have been heard and determined today. Is this a twist of the matter?
Not the quite. In fact, determination or a hearing of the matter was maybe the same thing, but it was simply to determine when the parties must file what they must file. It was not the day to hear the merits of the matter, so it was not the date of the merits. But the case management was necessary in order for the parties to be given periods within which to file. Because in terms of the rules, you must file within a certain period. But because of the importance of the case and the urgency of the matter, the CJ, in his wisdom, has decided that the matter be heard, not necessarily in terms of the rules, in terms of timelines, but that he brings forward the hearing of the matter. So it's a very important case that the judge said it must be dealt with expeditiously. So what has happened is that the parties have been given constricted periods within which to file, which are actually narrowing down of the timelines because of the importance of the matter. So it's well within the court's powers to do that, to direct the parties to do certain things by a certain date, so that it be done smoothly before the hearing of the matter.
Are you happy with the dates that have been laid?
We are very happy because then the court has attached importance to the case, and that we don't need to be held in abeyance, as it were, in suspense as to what should happen to the delimitation report. It must be heard quickly, urgently, and the issues taken out of the way. So we are very happy that the case has been given utmost attention by the highest court of the land because of the importance of the matter by nature. Chaitika ndechekutaenda pamberi pa mutongi mkuru wematare emuzimbabwe Chief Justice Malaba vachitiudza kuti vanhu vane nyaya iyi vafaile mapapers avo mazuva avatara kuti imi farai mapapers enyu, vanomirira hurumende, imi vanomirira vari kunza mosva kudare, failai mapapers enyu panguva yakati. Vobva vatiudza zvakare kuti nyaya ichanzwikwa nemusi wa8 May wa 2023. Saka yanga iri meeting yekuwirirana kuti avo vachafaila mapapers api panguva ipi kuti nyaya ikurumidze kuzivikanwa sekuti inyaya yakakosha zvikuru pamamiriro ezvinhu munyika.
Chii chiri kuita kuti mapepa anetse kufaila?
Hapana chinoonesa kufaila kwemapepa. Maererano nemarules ecourt, pane nyaya dzinonzi unofanira kufaila pazuva rakati kana kuti pamadays akati. But the Chief Justice vati tidzose mazuva iwayo kuti avo kana vachipiwa 10 days vangopiwa maybe mazuva mashomanene ekufaila because nyaya iri urgent. Saka zvinoitwa panyaya dziri urgent matters dzinozikwawo urgently. Saka court yaona zvakakodzera kuti iunze nyaya iyi padhuze kuti ikurumidze kuzivikanwa sekuti inyaya yakakosha. Saka hapana chinombonesa kufaila kwemapapers. Tatongotaurwa kuti nyaya inofanira kuzikwa musi wa8 May, then pakati ipapo tofaila mapepa avo vari kupikisa vachifaila mapepa vari kupikisa nemhaka yei isi topindura futi kuti sei muchipikisa then tozofaila mitemo chaicho yemagweta ipapo ndo patinenge takunyora mutemo kuti nyaya ipinde mudare macho.
If you may just
just for example, we had already given the respondents 10 days within to file their notice of opposition in terms of EMA rules. However, because the Chief Justice has so instructed, once they are filed by before 24, which is only 4 days. So that is what the Chief Justice is trying to do, to bring the dates closer so that the matter is expedited.
For the benefit of most Zimbabweans, if you may allow me to draw you back, especially zooming into your prayer, if it's granted in your favor, what exactly are you seeking?
We are seeking what we are seeking. We are seeking what we are seeking. We are seeking that the sex delimitation report be declared null and void. In other words, be declared invalid for not following the constitutional provisions, which is the mother law of Zimbabwe. The constitution is the mother of all other laws. If you don't follow the constitution, your effort becomes a nullity. That's what we are seeking. Then number two, we are saying, if it is a nullity, then it must be redone. Because you cannot have elections on an invalid or on a nullity. You cannot have elections, so it must be redone. So that's what we are seeking. Redo it, then we hold elections on a valid delimitation report. I may take this opportunity to even say, we are not applying, or my clients are not applying to postpone elections. They want them yesterday. But they don't just want elections for the sake of elections. Elections must be based on what is lawful, what is constitutional, what is legal, in order for the principles of fairness of elections to be upheld, which are in the Constitution of Zimbabwe. So those that are saying we are trying to run away from elections, they want to complain after they lose. Our clients are saying, let's have a proper playing field in terms of what the law provides for. Not just to say we want elections for the sake of elections. So they want an election that's credible, that is uncontestable, elections that will produce a result that everyone else will accept, including the international community, so that we don't continue to remain pariah state because the world does not accept our results of elections. So they want an election that's proper. So at the end of the day, if it is nullified, this delimitation report, it must be redone. Then the president will proclaim elections based on a proper delimitation report. That is simple. Anybody who went to school must understand that seeking to redo something is not seeking to run away from elections.
Some would argue that seeking to redo the elections, especially the delimitation report, may take time. In your own assessment, how long do you think this process may actually take if it's going to be redone according to the law?
That's a question of ZEC. That's ZEC's question. They must answer that. The thing is, we are not interested on what time they need. We're interested in that after they have done what they have done, let there be a proper delimitation. If it takes them 50 years, so be it. But what institution is that can do something constitutionally mandated for 50 years? So they must do the right thing, and then we go to a proper election. You can't say, well, the ground is not level, but we want to play anyhow. We are saying, let the ground be leveled, then we play. If it takes 2 days to make the ground level, so be it. And then elections will be held within the time in the constitution.
Briefly, Nshona, Ramanda, Chicha, Muruda, kuti sarudzo zisaitwa here kana?
Tirikuzira mangwana. In fact, Mwonzora ne MTC varuda sarudzo idzi mangwana. Paground vari kutomhanya-mhanya vachigadzirira kuti sarudzo dziitwe. Saka hatisi kuti sarudzo dzisaitwa pama-instructions akapiwa. Vari kuti sarudzo ngadziitwe, but kwete kungoita zviya zvokuti dzaitwa chete musiya ndaita. Ngadziitwe zvinogutsa munhu wese. Kana paine anoruza, oruza asingachemi kuti ndabiridzirwa. Kana paine anowina, awine futi asina kubiridzira. Ndo zviripo, saka sarudzo dzinofanira kuendera mberi, asi dzinofanira kuendera mberi pamusoro pe delimitation report inobvuma kuti iri valid nemutemo wenyika we-Constitution of Zimbabwe. Saka ZEC iri ngoziita izvinhu zviri pamutemo kuti ma-elections aendere mberi futi zviri pamutemo kuitira kuti tisaita sarudzo dzinozonzi neumwe dzinomira zvakanaka, because delimitation report yakakosha zvikuru pama-elections. Pasina delimitation report zvakafanira kuenda kunosarudza pasina voters roll, because delimitation report ne-voters roll zvinofambidzana nevanhu vakarejista, zvinofambidzana. Saka kana pasina delimitation report inotaura nezvepopulation, inotaura nezvose zviri muconstitution, zviri kuti hatina delimitation report inogona kuti sarudzo dziitwe.
volunteer.
Asi sarudzo ngaziitwa. Asi pamutemo. So that's it. Thank you very much. Apana arudi asura sarudzo. Mwonzora vari ready mangwana chaiche.
66%. Right. Vanoda kupinda kuzoteerera. Asi isu hatisi kumirira izvozvo. Ticharamba tichiita ma-programs edu tichigadzirira ma-elections. Hazvina musoro kuti tiende ku-election tiine delimitation report rine chitsotsi mukati. Isu toda kuti chitsotsi ichocho chigadziriswe first toenda kusarudzo. Delimitation report iripo ndeyekuba. Isu se-MDC tazviramba. Kune vari kuda kuti delimitation report ringoenda zvakadaro. Vanhu ivavo havasi kuziva zvavari kutaura, havasi kuziva zvavari kuita. Isu toda kugadziridza kuti playing field yedu yoita even toenda musarudzo. Right.